Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Crystal. Today I will be showing you how to make homemade chicken teriyaki bowls. For this recipe, you will need 1 minced garlic or a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, 2 tablespoons of corn starch, half a cup of brown sugar, as well as 2 1/4 cup of water, 3 to 4 tablespoons honey, and half a cup of soy sauce. You will also need boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I don't like that extra skin and fat that's on there, so I will go ahead and remove that. After removing the extra skin and fat from the chicken, season both sides with salt and pepper. Place a pan over medium heat and add in about 1/4 to 1/2 tablespoon of oil and spread that around the pan. And now you will be adding in the chicken. Add as much chicken that you can fit into the pan, making sure that it can all cook evenly. I was actually able to fit in the third piece of chicken. At this point, you will allow for the chicken to cook for 15 minutes on medium heat. If the heat is too high, the outside of the chicken will burn and the inside will be raw. It has been exactly 15 minutes, and now I will turn the chicken over to the other side. And as you can see, all pieces of chicken are a beautiful brown golden color. This is what the chicken should look like after you have turned it over. Continue to cook it on this side for an additional 15 minutes. After another 15 minutes, my chicken is done, but just to be safe, I will be using my meat thermometer to check the internal temperature of the chicken. The internal temperature of the chicken should be 160 degrees. And next, you will slice your chicken into bite-sized pieces. And once you have sliced all the chicken, add it back into the pan and fry it for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, set the heat to the lowest setting and leave your chicken on the stove as you work on your teriyaki sauce. Place a saucepan over medium heat, and now we are going to divide the 2 1/4 cups of water. You will only pour in 2 cups of water to the saucepan, as well as half a cup of soy sauce. Next, you will add in the minced garlic or the 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and allow for it to come to a boil. And once that has boiled, you will add in the half teaspoon of ground ginger, the 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and also the 3 to 4 tablespoons of honey. If you feel your sauce isn't sweet enough, add more sugar or honey to taste. Next, you will be making a slurry with the cornstarch and 1/4 cup of water. It is best if the water is cold. Add in the 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to the 1/4 cup of water and mix well. Return to the saucepan and add in the slurry. Be sure to mix that in well and allow for that to boil for 2 to 3 minutes. The longer it boils, the thicker your sauce will become. It has been a little over 2 minutes and my sauce is done. One way to check is dip in your cooking spoon, and if it is easily glazed, it is done. Remove from heat and pour into the chicken. Take your teriyaki sauce and pour it into the pot of chicken. Mix that in well and allow for that to boil together for about 2 minutes. After a couple of minutes, the teriyaki chicken is done and ready to serve. Remove from heat and serve immediately. In this bowl, I have served a cup of white rice. I have added in my steamed carrots, broccoli, and cabbage, but you can use the veggies of your choice. And lastly, to top it all off, that amazing, sweet, juicy teriyaki chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video on how to make homemade chicken teriyaki bowls. If you did, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to receive notifications of my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching Cooking with Crystal.